Facebook, YouTube. As you see, I'm out here enjoying this beautiful day today. Water's behind me, palm trees, of course the sun. You know, this is just really a moment for me. You know, the life I lead, I'm always on the road. I'm always never home. Gone, gone, gone. Responsibility, responsibility. When I'm out here, look at that. Nothing. It's just a time to just let go, not really worry about nothing, not really think about nothing. Life is good, all is well. I'm here pretty much every Tuesday just to get away. I hope everyone's having a good day. Be blessed. That is all.